You know, folks, I thought I had seen everything until I saw this, the wireless speaker clip. So somebody decided to make a speaker that you could actually clip to your, to your clothes. So I'm gonna check this out. We're gonna rate this from 1 to 10. It says waterproof, super light, hi-fi sound, 30 hours worth of playtime. All right, comes in like a neat little safe pouch, little no-brainer instructions, which is cool because a lot of products don't really come with instructions most times. I'm just gonna open this up. I thought it was gonna be yellow, but it came out blue. Yep. It's got a little clip on the back, and I can just have my clip right here and just be jamming out. Got a shirt on right here. Especially if I like working in the cold, like in a freezer or something, I can just have it under my shirt, clipped under there, and I'm jamming out. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm listening to my playlist. I'm listening to a movie, if you like listening to a movie without watching it. And how do I turn this on?
Power on.
Battery high.
Pairing.
That's cool.
Connected.
Oh. Hey, dear. Play something from your phone real quick. I think I'm connected to you. Play something from your phone real fast. Play something from your phone. Anything.
And veg on a pan, add in your beef and your sauce, and that's it. And a free extra air fryer and slow cooker recipes menu website is now live. It's boardoflunch.com. It's packed with free recipes. Have them at home. Then soften your onion and veg on a pan, add in your sauce, and that's
okay, we're good.
Power off.
This was for a video. Thank you. I love you. And as you can see, this clip is fairly loud. And as you could hear, my woman is downstairs listening to cooking stuff. So she's probably making something new that she's excited about. So that's what she likes to do. But yeah, if I were to rate this from 1 out of 10, I'll probably rate this like a 10. Because, you can just clip it if you're running. You could clip it if you're on a treadmill, clip it if you're working. If you're not allowed to have a Bluetooth speaker at work, you can just slide it underneath here. And like the clip is just like, the clip is so long that you would have to be jumping around and doing something pretty crazy for it to like fall out. Nobody's gonna see it. But yeah, very useful. This is a new lane. I've never seen anything, like this before. Maybe I'm old. Maybe this has been around for a while, or maybe it's just a trend and it's just now getting popular, but this is dope. This is nice. Here's a little charger in the pouch right here. Let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. And I will continue to do these. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this helps. There's an Amazon link down in the description and in the comment section if you need it for this exact product. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.